Welcome back, you guys, to another episode of the Never Ending Project. Today, I'm going to have my very good friend Jared come over. We're going to put the TT back together. We've got to install the flywheel, bolt up the clutch, and then we're going to put the transmission on that. So for right now, what I'm going to be doing is I've got to clean up my mess that I made, and then I'm going to remove the subframe, and then we're just going to get to work. Hopefully we can get this done without any issues. Hopefully we don't find any other issues that we just didn't know existed, but we'll find out. So let's have fun. Alright, so the garage is all cleaned up, got all my parts out. Here's our new clutch that we're going to be installing, and transmission. Jared's here, so yeah, we're just going to get started, put this thing together, and hopefully we can get it done in a couple hours. Alright, so we got the flywheel torqued on. I'm currently cleaning the pressure plate, trying to get all that grease and crap off of it. There's our clutch disc. There's our... It's probably a better view from out here. So I torqued these down in 2 passes. I went to 60 foot-pounds, and then I went to 85 foot-pounds. So hopefully that'll stop it from coming out. And then I had Jared clean this up, so we're almost ready. We're gonna keep going. So this is where we're at right now. We've got the transmission on a jack stand. Jared was kind enough to bring his transmission jack, but because of how low the car sits on jack stands, we can't quite get it underneath. So this is what we're working with. It's a little bit tough, being that I refuse to remove the transfer case off. I mean, I've been able to remove it with it on, and install it with it on as well. So we're just going to keep it on and kind of dealing with what we've got. But as you can kind of see, I mean, there's really not a whole lot of space in here. The trick is to try to get that transfer case to swing behind the side of the block. The block's got a bit of a protrusion that comes out on the back. Let me see if I can get a better view of it. Not really nothing here. Oops. So yeah, like right around, like that side right there. So I gotta get that transfer case to swing around, and then that's gonna sit right underneath, or like it's gonna sit right around here in between these 2 lines. So yeah, that's where we're at. Everything, running into stuff. Everything else is running pretty smoothly, so we're just gonna keep on going at it, and hopefully we can get this all on there soon. Alright, so we just took a break to have some lunch, but this is where we're at. We're almost there. So, hopefully the next update will be opening it all up. Well guys, looks like we pretty much completed a list as of right now. So, if you can't tell, I'm exhausted. Huge shout out to Jared, couldn't have done it without you, buddy. It's nice to be back to old times. Let's look at the work. So got the subframe installed. Not that you can see anything from here anyway. Subframe's in. Transmission is in and bolted up. Starter's good. Now pretty much what I have left to do is I have to align the shift cables. And pretty much wrap it up. I gotta buy some new gaskets, all the new gaskets tonight, so then I can, as soon as I get them, I can start installing the intake manifold and all the intercooler piping. I gotta fill the exhaust back on. Then I gotta get a new battery, and then hopefully she should crank over and we should be good to go. I think we've got about, I don't know, 3 weeks. We've got a pretty busy week coming up, this coming week. So hopefully I can get most of it done by the end of next week. So yeah, I'm back at that point where I'm kind of losing my mind, can't really think. So as always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And we're getting that much closer. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.